There are many portals for treatment of slap lesions and Bankart lesions, out of which standard portals like anterior, posterior, and other accessory portals like transacromial and deviceal portal. Now coming to what is a Transcuff portal. Transcuff portal is a accessory portal made just lateral to the lateral end of acromion in the midline in the shoulder. Advantage of Transcuff portal is it is helpful in placing of anchors at optimal position in slap and Bankart lesions. It is also viewed for viewing portal in posterior labral pathologies. This was described by John G. Kostras et al. In 2006, and there is one more paper in 2008 where they are telling that when the Transcuff portal is made by a arthroscopy surgeon in the early days of his practice, there are more chances of rotator cuff tears. To know about this, we have a study. Our study has been done between 2018 to 20 in Manipal Hospitals, Whitefield. 22 patients were included in the study, and Transcuff portal is used for all the patients for placement of anchors, and followed up for 2 years. During all the visits, we did ultrasound scanning for quantifying the healing of portal. By quantifying the healing of portal, we divided into 3 grades. Grade 1, which is less than 50% of healing from the bursal side, which is the thickness of the supraspinatus. Grade 2 is healing is less than 50%, but healing is present. Grade 3 is more than 50% of healing is there, or complete healing of the thickness. Other than that, clinical, radiological and functional outcomes has also been noted. 22 patients, 4 are male and 18 are female with a mean age of 52. Of grading, grade 3, 17 patients are there, and with grade 2, only 2 patients and no grade 1 patients. This is an ultrasound showing grade 2 in the left side. Grade 2, you can see this is 50% of rotator cuff tear is still need to be healed. Whereas in the grade 3 in the right side, complete healing can be seen. When coming to the functional scoring, all the functional scores which are ASCS, constant and Oxford scores are comparable and can be compared with the literature. The only study which we find out about the healing of or quantifying of the supraspinatus tear or the rotator cuff tear during this Transcuff portal is by John O et al. In 2008, where they included 58 patients and described basing on a CT arthrogram, whether they saw whether there is a leakage or not. When there is a leakage, they conclude it as a negative or positive. But in our study, we made an attempt to quantify the healing. Basing on that, we can treat the amount of tear or treat the pathology. And functional scoring, we achieved a functional scoring of 85. Advantages of ultrasound is a non-invasive procedure, as everyone knows, and easily tolerated by the patients. There are limitations, which is there is no comparative group for our evaluation. I conclude that Transcuff portal is a safe portal and for repair of slap lesions and Bankart repair, which gives proper angle for the placement of anchors. Functional outcome when compared to the other literature is same satisfactory. Ultrasound scoring help in quantification of the healing of tear and also for treatment if there is a tear. Thank you.